how to add wallet to Dexscreener. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So before we start, make sure that you have already added the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser and make sure that you have created a wallet. And then once you have done all of that, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the search bar and then search for Dexscreener, or you can just type dexscreener.com. And then once you do that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. And then after that, the next thing that we need to do is to click this moonshot right here on the left screen. And then once you do that, you will see this connect button right here on the top right corner of the screen. So just click that and then just choose the Phantom right here, whether you want it to connect through EVM or Solana. So let's just choose this for example. So do that, and then your Phantom wallet will pop up right here. So just enter your password. And then after that, just click the connect button right here. And then once you do that, that is basically it. That is how to connect your Phantom wallet to Dexscreener.